What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Jania Aaliyah and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be installing a wig that was sent to me by SVT Hair, and this wig is a 13x4 frontal bob. And so I was thinking of something pretty creative. I got this inspo from Bronny on Instagram. She had like these blonde highlights a while ago, and she had hers in like a middle part, and I just thought it was so bomb. And so in today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and recreate that. And so in this part, you see me basically just kind of sectioning off the front of my hair, which is where the main part of the highlights are going to be. I did this with my wig on so I could have a realistic like kind of representation of how the highlights will look on my head, or like what position they would be in, because I didn't want too much on one side. And so I just went ahead and tied a little hair tie around it. And so I did this originally because I did not want blonde roots. I wanted dark roots, which is what I got. And so I went ahead and started with the hair tie on. I bleached from there, and then later on in the bleaching process I took the hair tie off and bleached the roots part kind of later, just to get them a little lighter. And so throughout this process, it was a little hectic, y'all. It was a little hectic. I probably had to bleach the hair about 4 times to get it as light as I wanted to, which is pretty much, you know, standard for, you know, bleaching wigs or whatever. So it's, you know, it was expected. But if you are going for a color as light as mine, definitely expect to bleach the hair more than twice, y'all, because I did not see that one coming. And so just to give y'all a little more info on this wig, this length is 12 inches, and probably one of my favorite things about this unit is the fact that when it arrived, it was already cut in layers. Like, I'm sorry, I was scared originally thinking I was gonna have to do the layers myself, because baby, I can't do that. But it was already in layers, which made this wig like literally 10 times better, like a top 3 favorite wigs. And so as y'all can see, I do have saran wrap on my wig, and if you haven't started the process yet, girl, get you some saran wrap. This is so the bleach didn't, you know, spill or touch on other pieces of hair and turn them blonde, and just for, you know, neatness, organization purposes. But if you're already neat, then I guess it's not completely necessary, but it definitely will help. Last but not least, throughout this process, I used the purple shimmer shampoo to go through and wash the bleach out each time. So basically I shampooed the bleach out about 3-4 times. And so the shimmer shampoo is supposed to help kind of rid that orange bronze color that you'll get when you're bleaching your hair. And so I can definitely say that helped. On the last step, like on the last bleaching process, I left it on a little longer, since that was gonna be like the last lift, of course. And so other than that, I think that's all I have to offer as far as it goes for this commentary. Y'all enjoy the music. And for the wig install, I tried a new glue. I used the Denine Defined glue, and when I tell y'all, it may have just changed wig installs for me, period. But hopefully this video was helpful to y'all. Hopefully y'all like this style as much as I did, and keep watching. Without the reason, they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need is a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. I'll dedicate all my love to you, baby. And let you know everything will be alright. Oh, yeah. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down.
Should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts till they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one needed charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out the save. Got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us and the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in the waist. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask and a cake. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out in cave. I was on top when that shit.
Alright y'all, so here goes the final look, and this literally, like when I tell you, met all expectations, even up to the way it's holding the curl. And I think what I like the most about this wig is definitely the fact that it came layered. Like I bought the little thing ahead of time, prepared to layer it, but I didn't even have to because it already came like this. And so hopefully this video was very helpful for, you know, if you're getting ready to try this style, and I 100% recommend trying this style. And thank you to SVT Hair for sending me this hair. I will link all the details and whatnot about this specific unit and just their company in general in the description box down below, so be sure to check them out. And do not forget to follow my Instagram. It's going to be down at the bottom of the screen, and it's going to be in the description box. But you already know, click, smack that subscribe button down below, and I will see y'all on my next video.